2014, when the third illegal election has taken part successfully, then Sheikh Hasina again restalled the quota system. Hasina always did. She suppressed the movement with force. To suppress the movement, she killed people. It's her system that she kills people, tortured people. So it's the culture of the Hasina regime. She just wanted to suppress this movement. But after she killed a lot of us, then she said that I want to sit with you.
But तब तक तो बहुत लेट हो चुका था. इधर के बारबेक्यू वगैरह बहुत अच्छा है, तो आपको ट्राई करना चाहिए.
Yes, I definitely want to try.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूँ आपका होस्ट निगर दिलहार और आप देख रहे हैं वाइट न्यूज़. आज मेरे साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट मौजूद है बांग्लादेश से, मालिहा नामला, जो जहांगीरनगर यूनिवर्सिटी की स्टूडेंट है, जो कोटा मूवमेंट पे उन्होंने बहुत अहम किरदार अदा किया था और उन लोगों के लिए हमें आज बांग्लादेश की आज़ादी मिली है. तो चले हम उनसे बात करेंगे कोटा मूवमेंट के बारे में और पाकिस्तान आके उनका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, तो उसके बारे में भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. तो चले फिर हम उनके साथ डिस्कशन शुरू करते हैं. आपका बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे शो पे ज्वाइन करने के लिए. और फर्स्ट मैं आपको पाकिस्तान में वेलकम करना चाहती हूँ. तो फर्स्ट सवाल मैं आपको ये करना चाहती हूँ, जो जुलाई का मूवमेंट है ये कोटा मूवमेंट के नाम पे शुरू हुआ था, तो शॉर्ट में जस्ट कोटा मूवमेंट क्यों है इसका आप थोड़ा सा अगर पाकिस्तानियों को बताते, बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं ये कोटा मूवमेंट है क्या.
ये कोटा मूवमेंट एक्चुअली बांग्लादेश में देयर आर quotas like freedom fighter quota. There is total quota is 56% of government jobs. I mean, when you give a government job entry exam, then actually you can compete only for the 44% of seats, and the 56% are reserved for freedom fighters and some others, but maximum is freedom fighters quota. And freedom fighters, the children of freedom fighter is now not examining. Actually the grandchildren of freedom fighter is the examining. And but this is not logical that they have the
generation उनको facilities मिलते जा रहे हैं. ये दो generation is okay, but
yes, and they are also privileged. They are not actually the underprivileged, or ऐसा नहीं है कि वो लोग it's not that they are not privileged. So quota can be there for the underprivileged peoples who isn't getting any privilege, like poor people or the rural area people. But the grandchildren of freedom fighter cannot have the privilege of quota.
Yeah, you're right.
So we were fight for this quota system in 2018. So the government they just cancelled the quota system. They just removed it. And when at 2014, when the third illegal election has taken part successfully, then Sheikh Hasina again restalled the quota system. And when it happens, we are so sad, and so that quota system couldn't be reinstalled, because we are a large population, and we are so many unemployed people, youth in our country. So it cannot be happen that we cannot compete for the seats of government jobs.
तो आप कब से इस मूवमेंट के साथ ज्वाइन किया? आप तो जहांगीरनगर यूनिवर्सिटी से हैं, तो कब से आपने इसके साथ?
जहांगीरनगर यूनिवर्सिटी इस मूवमेंट के साथ ज्वाइन किया था 5th June in 2024, जब when 2018 पे मैं बच्ची थी, I was in college. So 2024 में ये 5th June पर हुआ था. We first we first blocked the road Thakaricha highway in Bangladesh. We first do that. हमने Thakaricha highway को block किया था 6 June. And after that the कुर्बानी ईद की छुट्टियाँ आ गई थी और हमने इस movement को रोक लिया था.
Okay.
Then after June we started the movement in July, 1st July again. And it was हम लोग Thakaricha highway को block करते रहे थे. But after we wanted to हमने ये चाहिए था 2018 की जो
कोटा सिस्टम है
है उसको चेंज किया जाए. बट आफ्टर दैट वी वांटेड टू रिफॉर्म दिस. वी डोंट वांटेड टू जस्ट बैनिश दिस. वी जस्ट वांटेड टू
कुछ परसेंटेज बाकी लोगों के लिए जो पुअर पीपल है, जो अनएम्प्लॉयड है, जो स्टूडेंट है, जो डेफिनेटली जो कोटा सिस्टम है उसमें अगर मार्क कम भी मिले तो उनको वो ऑटोमेटिकली मिल जाता है, लेकिन अच्छे स्टूडेंट को नहीं मिलता.
Yes. But the government didn't take this हम लोग जो चाहते थे गवर्नमेंट नहीं दिया था. And then we do the.
आपके ऊपर कोई अटैक हुआ था?
Okay, I wasn't interested in quota movement actually because after the illegal election, I was so upset and I lost all the hope about this country. So I didn't have any hope of this country, and the quota movement wasn't my cup of tea. So after that, when the quota movement started, I was hoping something will happen, and it happened.
Yeah.
As Hasina always did. She suppressed the movement with force. To suppress the movement, she killed people. It's her system that she kills people. She tortured people. So it's the culture of the Hasina regime. So I assume that it will happen here also. So I was waiting for that. And let's see what happened. So after that, in 14th July, when Sheikh Hasina said as Razakar, so I was hoping that it can be a turning point.
Yeah.
And also the most interesting thing is the girls of Dhaka University.
Yeah,
they turned this movement towards a revolution. So it was very amazing. So I was hoping, I was waiting for the moment, and after that we all were in the road. That we all somewhere we always want to step down Hasina. Actually quota was not the quota. Yes,
कोई कह नहीं सकते था. Definitely 15 years कम नहीं है. लोगों ने बर्दाश्त किया है. लोगों का अपना आवाज दबा के रखा हुआ था. जो भी बोलता था उनको मार देता था.
Yes, so we just need an excuse to get into the road. So we do this, and at 15th July. 14 July, Chhatra League attacked us in Jahangirnagar University, but they couldn't attack us properly because they were very small in number and we were a large number. So, but in 15 July, what they did was very terrific. They hired the what did is Shomchashi. They hired the
स्टूडेंट लीग का कोई जो भी इधर छात्रों लीग का इनका
स्टूडेंट्स लीग
goons.
Okay. Yes, they hired a lot of goons in trucks with deadly weapons to attack on us. We were peacefully doing movements and they attacked on us, and it was they were aimed to kill us. There was a list to kill the leaders of Kota movement. We had that before, after these things.
तो इस मूवमेंट पे कितने लोग शहीद हुए हैं?
Almost 2000.
ओके और आपको क्या लगता है कि अगर ये लोग शहीद नहीं होते हैं, मतलब डेफिनेटली वो मिल बैठ के डिस्कस करके इस चीज़ को सॉल्व आउट कर सकते थे, बट उनका गलती तो था, उन्होंने इतने लोगों को क्यों मारा?
Yes, she didn't wanted to solve this. She just wanted to suppress this movement. But after she killed a lot of us, then she said that I want to sit with you.
बट तब तक तो बहुत लेट हो चुका
Yes.
था, इतने लोगों को मौत हो गई, तो जाहिर सी बात है तब क्या करना था बात करके।
Yes.
तो अभी तो आप पाकिस्तान में हैं, तो पाकिस्तान के बारे में क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है आपका? ये
Islamabad is so beautiful. I just see this city. This is so beautiful. Natural beauty is very amazing, and the people are very amazing. Especially the people are very beautiful. So it's good.
आप भी पाकिस्तानी की तरह ही दिखते हैं, तो पाकिस्तान के कौन सी खाना अच्छा लगा आपको?
I haven't had much, but ये थोड़ी बहुत बांग्लादेशी खाना के जैसा ही है.
अच्छा, मतलब इधर के बारबेक्यू वगैरह बहुत अच्छा है, तो आपको ट्राई करना चाहिए।
Yes, I definitely want to try that.
अभी तो आप लोग एक कॉन्फ्रेंस में आए हैं, तो इन फ्यूचर भी पाकिस्तान आने का प्लान है आपका?
Yes, I would like to come.
ओके,
Okay.
थैंक यू सो मच
you.
सिस्टर। उम्मीद है हमारे शो आपको अच्छा लगे, फिर मिलते हैं बहुत जल्दी। अल्लाह हाफिज़।